नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today's practical session of case taking. In today's session, we are going to discuss aphorism 98 and what is the applicability of this aphorism while taking the case. Because in every aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann gives clear guidelines about taking the case. Like in aphorism 97, some patients are belong to indolence. So how we take the case in such circumstance, in such type of patients. And in 96 aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann talked about the hypochondriac patients and how we have to deal such type of patients. Now in 98 aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann says, now as certainly as we should listen particularly to the patient's description of his sufferings and sensations and attach credence especially to his own expressions wherewith he endeavors to make us understand his ailments, because in the mouths of his friends and attendants they are usually altered and erroneously stated. So certainly on the other hand, in all diseases, but especially in the chronic ones, the investigation of the true complete picture and its peculiarities demands special circumspection, tact, knowledge of human nature, caution in conducting the inquiry, and patience in an eminent degree. So there are some basic qualities related to physician while taking the case of chronic nature. There are some qualities like the patience, knowledge of human nature, tact. So all these qualities physician should have while inquiring the chronic case. So listen particularly the patient's description of suffering and sensation and attach credence especially to his own expression wherewith he endeavors to make us understand his ailment. While patient narrating his complaints, physician should have some special qualities, how he give weightage of each symptom narrated by the patient. What is the peculiarity in the statement of the patient? What is uncommon in the patient? So physician can make the characteristic of the patient in each individual case of disease, especially in the chronic case of the disease. So on the basis of this characteristic peculiarity, physician can make good prescription for the patient. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.